What is Google Ads? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most important topics for online marketing, and that is Google Ads. If you want to expand your business and attract more potential customers, then you need to master the art of Google Ads. Google Ads is an advertising platform developed by Google, which allows you to display your ads through different channels such as search engines, websites, mobile apps, and videos. Google Ads provides a unique opportunity for businesses to reach their target audience with relevant ads based on their search queries, interests, and demographics. Firstly, let's talk about the basics of Google Ads. When you launch a new campaign, you need to decide on the type of ad you want to create, whether it be a text-based ad, display ads, or video ads. Once you've decided on the ad format and created your ad copy, you need to select the target audience for your ad. This can be done based on location, age, gender, interests, and more. Next, we have keyword targeting, which is one of the most important parts of Google Ads. You need to choose relevant keywords that people will be searching for and include them in your ad copy. By doing this, your ad will show up when someone searches for that specific keyword. One of the best things about Google Ads is that you only pay for the clicks your ad receives. This means that you can set up a budget for your campaign, and once your budget runs out, your ad will stop showing. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss some tips and tricks to help you create a successful Google Ads campaign. Firstly, make sure your ad copy is engaging and relevant. Your ad needs to grab the viewer's attention within seconds, otherwise, they will simply scroll past it. Secondly, consider using images or videos in your ads. These tend to grab more attention than text-based ads and can help to showcase your product or service in a more creative way. Next, conduct keyword research to ensure your ads are targeting the right audience and using the right keywords. This will help to increase the click-through rate and improve your ad's quality score. Lastly, track your results and make any necessary changes to your campaign. Google Ads provides in-depth reporting, allowing you to see how your campaign performs and make any changes to improve its effectiveness. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about Google Ads. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.